Alright, so this is the unboxing of the Logitech G502 Hero gaming mouse. It's a wired gaming mouse with the new Hero 16K sensor, so let's go ahead and rip the package out. So I actually cut the seal already, so you don't really need to do that. Alright, so let's get this out. Alright, got it. And is there anything in the box? Nothing else in the box. I'm just gonna put it to the side for now. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the mouse, and there's this weird shape. Anyways, we've got the mouse, and then nothing on the back, so let's go ahead and open it safely. Alright, there we go. Finally got the mouse. Okay, we've got the hyperspeed scroll wheel, I think it's called. And let's take the mouse outside. Just a second. Alright. Okay, so there we go. Wow, okay. This is one big hefty mouse. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, I think it's around 125 grams without the weights. So it's going to be even heavier with the weights, but let's put the mouse to the side a little bit. And let's come on to the other paperwork and stuff. This is... okay, so this is just a bunch of codes and stuff like that. And then keep playing. Okay, that's Logitech gear. Nice advertising, Logitech, if you're watching. And then we've also got the... alright, what is this? Okay, so I guess this is a sticker of some sort from Logitech. Oh yeah, it's a sticker. You can peel it off here and use it. So that's all a nice touch. Let's put that right now. Okay, then we've got a bunch of other paperwork. So let's move on. Okay, so this is the weights that come with it, which we can add to the back of the mouse, like I will do so in just a moment. But let's look at the mouse itself. As you can see here, this is the mouse, nice and ergonomical. Then hopefully you can hear the clicks as well. Oh yeah, okay. This mouse wheel is just insane. So we've got the G9 button, apparently. And we've got two more buttons on here. We've got one button here, one button here, one button here. Damn, that's a lot of buttons on this mouse. Okay, and then obviously you've got this click, the horizontal click, the horizontal scrolling, I mean, sorry. So now let's move on to adding the weights. So as you can see here, we've also got the Hero 16K sensor. We've got this. So the way you add the weights, first of all, let me just show the weights. So you just open it like this. It's in this little capsule sort of box. Open it like that. As you can see, we've got the weights. You stick it out. These are all magnetic, I believe. Alright, so let's move on to how to add the weights, because I think a lot of people find it a bit hard at first. So let's add the weights. So you just take this out, I believe. Oh yeah, okay. So the back panel comes out. Yep. Few are bigger than others. This one's smaller ones. Let's take that out. We'll just go ahead and put that in. So let me just quickly put all of these in. Alright, there we go. That's how the mouse looks with all of the weights in. So as you can see, so the mouse without the weights weighs 121 grams, and with the weights we've got like 5 3.6 gram ones. So with the weights it weighs a total of 139 grams. Well, let's now talk about the feel of the mouse maybe a little bit. So this scroll wheel has actually attracted a lot of attention recently on YouTube, and I'd say it's actually maybe a little bit better for scrolling like Wikipedia if you're doing a research assignment or something. And then without the hyper scroll lock as well, it actually moves a little bit after reading it. That's pretty cool as well. Then these buttons are all very tactile. and you can set the sensitivity as well and all that kind of stuff in the G-Hub software. Maybe I'll make a video about it. But if you enjoyed this video and are planning to buy a mouse, definitely stay subscribed and stay tuned, because I'll be uploading a full in-depth review of this mouse quite soon, probably next week or the week after that. And yeah, stay cool, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Leave a like and subscribe.